If someone's told you that the way to prepare for birth is just to stay positive and let your body do its thing, then I need you to pause because that one piece of advice, well, it's making you more anxious, believe it or not, and nobody's telling you why. Hi, my name is Stephanie. I'm a doula and lactation consultant, and I've helped thousands of first-time moms walk into birth calm and actually ready. So stay with me because at the end of this video, you're gonna feel a whole lot lighter about your birth. So let's get it. Here's the problem with that whole theory of just trust your body. It's not that it's wrong, right? Actually, your body is doing something incredibly hard right now. But to just tell a mom to just trust your body, well, the problem with that is that it gives you nothing to actually do. So when a contraction hits at 3 a.m. or your water breaks in the grocery store, your brain goes, okay, so now what? And that blank space, that now what? Well, that's actually where your anxiety is coming from. That's why you feel so overwhelmed, because that's where the panic lives. Anxiety doesn't come from not being positive enough. It comes from not knowing what happens next. Certainty is what helps to calm you down, not vibes. So instead of just giving you that generic trust your body advice, here are 3 things that will actually help to lower your birth anxiety because they're going to replace the unknown with a plan. You know, I love a good plan. So, all right, here we go. Number 1, I want you to learn the one question to ask yourself when you think labor is getting started. I don't want you to try to memorize 10 things. Just have this one filter. I want you to ask, are these contractions getting longer, stronger, and closer together over time? Because if your answer is yes, then that means that things are progressing. If they fade when you move around or you drink water, it's likely not the real thing, at least not yet. And that single question is going to replace you up at 3 a.m. doing Google searches on, is my labor starting, right? That's going to stop the panic and give you a clear, distinct way to know, okay, this may be a sign things are getting started, or no, not yet. Okay, number 2, I want you to decide your first 3 moves right now while you're calm and not when you're in the panic of that moment, right? Now, the 3 things or the 3 moves that I want you to figure out now is who you're going to call first, what you need to grab, and where do you need to be or where are you going to go? If you know those 3 moves, then it's going to be totally fine in the panic of the moment. Why? Because your thinking part of the brain may actually check out due to all of the panic of the moment, right? But your prepared part of the brain is ready and it will take over. All right, now let's come around the bend with number 3, which is I want you to build your oxytocin bubble. Now, oxytocin is a hormone that drives labor, and it's a bit shy, like myself, but it shows up whenever things are calm, when the lights are dim, and most importantly, when you feel safe. And remember this, it tends to hide, right, when there's bright lights and a lot of stress around. So knowing how to create that calm environment or your calm space on purpose, well, that's not just woo-woo stuff that people talk about. It's literal physiology, and it will actually help to progress your labor. Now, here's the honest part. Those 3 things will help calm you down today, but they're 3 pieces of a much bigger picture. And I can't fit everything into a YouTube video without it being 3 hours long. So here's what I want you to do instead. Every week I send out due date diaries. It's absolutely free and it's real talk prep that I don't put on YouTube. It meets you exactly where you are, wherever that might be in your pregnancy. So if this video helped you breathe a little easier, then that is just a glimpse of what you will get every single week right into your inbox. The link is at the top of the description. Go grab it. It's absolutely free. And listen, if what do I actually do when labor starts is still a question that's stuck in your head right now, don't worry. I made a whole video on exactly that. How to tell real labor from false labor, so you know when it's the real deal and when you still have time to relax. It's right here on the screen. Go watch it next, and I'll see you there. Happy birthday, Mama.